How to fix the CapCut export problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. CapCut export problems can occur due to various reasons. It could be insufficient storage, app glitches, or compatibility issues. Here are some common solutions to fix it. First and foremost, ensure your device has enough storage for exported videos. Exporting large files can require significant space, so make sure to remove unnecessary files and applications to free up the storage space. Once you have ensured the storage space on your device, head over to Play Store or App Store. Search for CapCut and make sure you're using the latest version by tapping on the update button. This way it can fix the bugs and improve the performance as well. Once updated, close all the background application once and restart your device to clear the temporary glitches. Also, exporting at high resolutions like that of 4K might cause problems on lower spec devices. So, in order to resolve it, reduce the resolution to 1080 or 720p in export settings. After that, head over to your CapCut, long press it and go to App Info, go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache, and that should probably help. However, if it does not, make sure to contact to the CapCut support for further assistance. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.